Okay, so in this lecture, we are going to discuss one very important concept is called cross-site request forgery. It's a fraud or attack, which are basically very common on the web-based applications. So we can read and we will do the practical, complete practical on the Visual Studio. Just a moment. Cancel. Close it. Okay, see. The first paragraph is very important to understand the concept. Cross-site request forgery, CSRF, is an attack that forces an end user to execute unwanted action on the web application in which they are currently authenticated. Some user has been already authenticated by the user ID and password. Then after that, the attackers take the control on the web page and transfer some malicious or wrong code which can be executed on the server. And due to this execution, the server may crash or hack. With a little help of social engineering, such as sending link via the email or chat, an attacker may trick the user of the web application into executing the action of the attacker choice. Attackers की choice और concern से कुछ codes यूजर के थ्रू एग्जीक्यूट हो जाते हैं सर्वर पर, इसी को हम लोग CSRF अटैक कहते हैं. तो हाउ टू कंट्रोल दिस CSRF अटैक, we will see practically. So this we have to start Visual Studio. Just a moment. There are multiple versions of the Visual Studio, so I just want to prefer this version. New project. Click on OK. I think the existing file is open. I just want to remove this. Visual Studio. Click on New Project. And make a suitable name. And make sure you have to select the ASP.NET MVC4 web application. Protection. Protection of anti. Protection of. Just a moment. CSRF. Click on OK. Empty. Make sure you have to select the Razor. Razor as a view engine. This is the latest view engine used to provide the mix facility of HTML and C# code. Click on OK. These are simple warning. Now, we have to add a controller. How to add the controller? Right click in the controller. Suppose this Solution Explorer, suppose you are not getting this Solution Explorer, then go to View and click on Solution Explorer. You will immediately get this panel. Now right click on the controller, don't talk, add, click on controller. Then you have to change this name which is highlighted with home or any other name as per your choice. Click on add. Now the controller has been added. You can off the magnify increase font size. Now, this is a by default action result method, which is used to create the view. Right click, add view. Untick this use a layout master. Click on add. Now we have to design a form H2. Some information. Some information. Make a form. Method is equal to post. So the data will be sent to the server in encrypted manner, hidden manner. Action is equal to /home/index. The form will be processed on the index page of the home controller. Resume recording. Input type is equal to number. Enter salary. Just close this Solution Explorer for the time being. Name is equal to sal. ER. To break the line, input type is equal to submit. And that's it. Save all. Let me run this code to check how much information is coming on screen. Yes, perfect. I'm not going to the designing part right now. So I will submit the salary on server, and server will double the salary and return the result back to the client. Just a moment. Now we have to do some work on server side. So go to the controller. Controller means you are in server. Stop debug. Just copy this function. Recording is going on. Resume recording. Just copy this function and paste once again. This is a method used to display the form, and this is a method used to process the request of the client which is coming towards the server. तो दो फंक्शन की हमेशा रिक्वायरमेंट होती है. This will be HTTP post, and here we have to write int sal. Now what we have to do, int inc is equal to sal multiply to salary will be incremented, just double, and view back dot result is equal to inc. Done. Save all. Now see, The result is placed in the view bag dot result. View bag is a session used to carry the result from the controller to client. Now come to form section. Put HR at the rate if is post, it will ensure the request has been submitted on the server and processed also. Span tag viewback dot result. We can provide some CSS on span. Color colon crimson and font size colon 22 pixel. Save all and let me check. Changes are coming. Typing some salary like 6,000, submitting on the server, and server is calculating the salary as a double and returning back. This result is coming from the server. Now the real game will start. How the attackers will manipulate. Attacker will simply copy this URL and will paste here in the notepad or somewhere. Then after that, just right click, go to view source, and copy this code from division to division and paste here form of client, just after that I want to make another page, and from another page I will send the request to the same server. मैं एक दूसरा पेज बना रहा हूं. New project, big page, big document, empty, go to the view, click on Solution Explorer, add a controller in the same manner, put it home. This is another page development. It is not connected to any server. $200, add view, pasting the code from division to division. Pasted here. Now, what will happen? We don't have the server right now. We have only the page. हमारे पास सिर्फ पेज है, सर्वर नहीं है. अब अगर हम इसको रन करते हैं तो हमारे पास होम कंट्रोलर नहीं है, हमारे पास इंडेक्स नहीं. होम कंट्रोलर और इंडेक्स, ये हमारा स्टील कोड है जो हमने उस पेज के व्यू से गेट करके यहां पर पेस्ट कर दिया है. अब इसको हम रन करते हैं. तो डेफिनेटली एरर आएगी, क्योंकि उसको सर्वर और कंट्रोलर नहीं मिलेगा. जस्ट अ मोमेंट. नाउ टाइपिंग सम डेटा एंड सबमिटिंग. सी, नथिंग विल हैपन. कुछ नहीं हो रहा है. माई रिक्वेस्ट इज नॉट गोइंग टू सर्वर. मेरी रिक्वेस्ट सर्वर तक नहीं जा रही है. ये तो जो 1200 है वो बाय डिफॉल्ट आ रही है इंफॉर्मेशन. ओके, नाउ आई विल डू, जस्ट वेट फॉर मिनट. अब हम ये पार्ट चेंज करेंगे. आई विल चेंज द एक्शन पार्ट by this URL. Pasting here. Now stop debugging. Now what will happen? I can send my request to some server. That server is not in our control, but मेरी request उस server पे जा सकती है. Pasting some 8,000. Now you can see the server is accepting my fake request. This is my fake page. I want to change the title of this. Fake page created by hacker or attacker. Saved all. See, in the home controller, we can see there is no index method which is receiving the request. हमारे पास सर्वर नहीं है, बट हमारी रिक्वेस्ट उस सर्वर पे जा रही है जहां से हमने इस कोड को स्टील किया है. ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. एक पेज क्रिएटेड बाय द हैकर, टाइपिंग सम इंफॉर्मेशन लाइक 600, सर्वर एक्सेप्टिंग एंड कैलकुलेटिंग द रिजल्ट. अब हम लोग सिक्योरिटी इंप्लीमेंट करेंगे अपने सर्वर पे. तो हमारा सर्वर ये था, जिसका नाम था प्रोजेक्ट का प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ CSRF. I have to do simple two changes. Number one, after the form, we have to write @HTML dot anti-forgery token. Semicolon is not required. You have to add this line in the form. फॉर्म में आपको ये लाइन ऐड करनी है. अगर ये कोड कहीं और से एक्सेस होकर सर्वर पे सबमिट होगा तो ये लाइन उसको रिस्ट्रिक्ट करेगी. अब ये हमारा मेन सर्वर है. दिस इज माय सर्वर्स कंट्रोलर. और यहां पर HTTP पोस्ट के नीचे एंटी फॉर्जरी टोकन and the bracket is closed. I want to change some information. Real or authenticated page. Save all. Running. दिस इज माई रियल और ऑथेंटिकेटेड पेज। यहां से मैं सर्वर पर रिक्वेस्ट हिट कर रहा हूं, रियल और ऑथेंटिकेटेड पेज 4000, सर्वर इज एक्सेप्टिंग एंड रिप्लाइंग, मतलब 4000 कन्वर्टिंग इनटू डबल ऑफ सैलरी। अब हम अपने फेक पेज को रन करेंगे। ये हमारा फेक पेज है जो कि पहले सर्वर तक रीच कर रहा था। नाउ आई एम टाइपिंग, clicking on submitting, it is showing some error. The required anti-forgery form field request verification token, मतलब request verify नहीं हो पाता। This is the security which can be implemented। अब सिर्फ और सिर्फ रिक्वेस्ट इस पेज से जाएगी तभी एक्सेप्ट होगी। और इस पेज की ये दो पेजेस है जो कि बिल्कुल लुक अलाइक है। इस पेज की रिक्वेस्ट सर्वर पर एक्सेप्ट होगी, बट इस पेज की रिक्वेस्ट सर्वर पे एक्सेप्ट नहीं होगी। ऑलराइट, this is all about the objective of this practical. Hope you understand.